Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? It is Thursday, it's October 17th, and we have one big shout out today going out to our sweet, sweet friend Robin May here in Arizona. Robin is the wife of our friend Eugene, who we knew in Chicago, and we met Robin when we moved here 8 years ago, and we're sure glad we did. She is, without a doubt, one of the sweetest people we know, and we love her to death. And Kathy and I want to wish her a very happy birthday today and hope that things are going your way with all of those animals that you live with. Robin is she has horses and donkeys and dogs and cats and desert tortoises and all kinds of strays and rescues, and she's just wonderful with her animals. So hopefully things are going good for you on that end, Robin, and we wish you a happy birthday and hope that your day is just great, and hopefully we'll get to see you real soon. We love you, and take care of yourself. And for the song today, I'm going to do a song from David Crosby and Graham Nash from their very first album that they did together, which was entitled Graham Nash, David Crosby. And they went on to make a few albums together, just the two of them. And this song that I want to do today, that album came out in 1972, by the way. And the song I'm going to do is called Southbound Train. And it was written by Graham Nash. And he had written, in the past and in the future, a lot of anti-war songs. So when this song came out in 72, we were at the height of Vietnam and Cambodia and all of that stuff, and Nixon, and it was pre-Watergate, but things were really messy and ugly and a lot of protesting going on. So he wrote this song called Southbound Train, which deals with a train carrying home soldiers who had passed in the war to their hometowns. And he had written a song called Military Madness earlier, and of course Chicago, about the Chicago 7. And he was very outspoken about the war. And that is something that was much needed in those days. So here's Graham Nash and David Crosby and the Southbound Train. Liberty laughing and shaking your head. Can you carry the torch that'll bring home the dead to the land of their fathers whose lives you have led, to the station at the edge of the town, on the southbound train going down. Equality quietly facing the fist. Are you angry or tired that your point has been missed? Will you go in the back room and study the list of the gamblers using the phone on the southbound train going down? Fraternity failing to fight back the tears? Will it take an eternity, breaking all the fears? And what will the passenger do when he hears that he's already paid for the crown? On the southbound train going down, on the southbound train going down. Graham Nash and David Crosby in the Southbound Train. And that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. And happy birthday, Robin. Stay safe out there and keep on the sunny side. Bye-bye.